Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a fascinating piece of American just change the way you see history that might. One of the world's most famous buildings. We're talking about the White House. But what if I told you it wasn't always white? When construction finished around 1800, the building we now know as the White House was actually just a natural grayish tan color. It was made from Aquia Creek sandstone, and that was the color everyone saw. So, where did the iconic brilliant white come from? The story is quite dramatic and involves a war. Fast forward to the War of 1812. In August of 1814, British troops marched into Washington, D.C., and it fired to several government buildings, including the President's house. The flames gutted the interior and left the sandstone exterior scorched and blackened with smoke stains. It was a devastating sight, a symbol of a nation under attack. After the war, the task of rebuilding began. The architect, James Hoban, who originally designed the building, was brought back to oversee the reconstruction. To cover up the extensive fire damage and the dark smoke stains on the stone walls, a decision was made. They would paint the entire exterior, and the color they chose, a whitewash-style paint, which was a mixture of lime, salt, rice, and water. This fresh, white coat not only covered the scars of war but also gave the building a stunning, pristine, and unified appearance. It was so striking that people started referring to it colloquially as the White House. The name stuck. For decades, it was a popular nickname, but it wasn't made official until 1901. When President Theodore Roosevelt formally adopted the name White House. So, the next time you see a picture of that iconic landmark, remember its story. It's a story of resilience, of rising from the ashes, and of how a coat of paint can create a national symbol. The white color isn't just for looks. It's a testament to a pivotal moment in American history. It reminds us that even after facing destruction, we can rebuild and come back stronger and brighter than before. Thanks so much for watching. Story as interesting as I did. Please hit that like button, and please hit that like button, and subscribe for more deep dives into history. Let me know in the comments what other historical facts you'd like me to cover next. Until then, stay curious.